We should complete this.
Eat them after brushing your teeth.
We have brushed.
We have brushed.
Not yesterday.
Not yesterday, today.
Today also. Yeah, due to global warming, look at this. It got dried up.
In my vlog, only I am not there, always.
And then you want me to record your ass, which is not there. I can record your ass. Good.
Don't name it.
Hello.
Yeah.
We are going to be
Yeah,
there soon.
they've been here for so long.
Who told you that?
You see, they've been here so long. And plus, like, they are layers and layers and layers. Like, it's beautiful.
Mountains can kill you apparently, so take them serious.
Take on that.
It's like global warming's warning.
Carpe diem, baby. Carpe diem. Do you know what it means? Live in the moment. Think about it like that.
Now we are going towards the river. What these people do. It's insane. We have just came from a grocery store now, and then we have stopped here in the middle of nowhere and it's so great. Like the view is insane. हम अपनी शॉपिंग करके आ गए हैं वापस और अभी हमें थोड़ा भूख लग रही थी, इस हम थोड़ा स्पेगेटी बनाते हैं। आज का दिन ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म ही हो गया है क्योंकि हम मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम रिवर के साइड थे और अभी हम बारबेक्यू सेट कर रहे हैं।
No, leave it like that.
It should fit.
Yeah, it should fit, but
Yeah, it's fine.
I charge you so much. Don't worry about it. It's fine. It's good.
This pesto, but then I never used it, so that's why.
Like you never use your brain. Going to a hike today and I'm taking you with me and stay tuned. The track looks interesting.
It's not raining, right? It's not raining, guys. Yeah.
It's a wind.
I think we're gonna die in hunger and thirst because we are somewhere where there are electric wires
With current flowing in them.
yes, and our whole shoes and socks are wet, and we only did it because somebody very nice told us that we are gonna hike.
Yeah.
Bro, what would you like to say?
I would like to say we are adventurous people.
But the adventure go out of hand.
And sometimes. And we should.
Most of the times.
Before we die.
But Solo, What do you?
तो ले लो गाइस,
किसकी?
ले ही लो गाइस, सब मिलके लेते हैं
सेल्फी.
सेल्फी.
Okay. You know, if we are dying also, she will be like, let's take a selfie first. No. We end up at a very nice tree.
No selfie, we have selfie.
So we thought the lake is far away where we set our destination previously. So now we are just going back. Okay, it's 1:27 a.m. and that's how it looks.
It's cloudy.
Yeah,
It's not cloudy, bro. It's
that's how it looks. Oh god, this is so pretty.
sun sets from here and rises from here.
What?
Sun sets from here and then rises from here. But why are those rays are the other side? No.
You're finding frogs here.
Yeah, I mean, we want to see how Norwegian frogs look like. Are they different from Indian frogs? Yeah, it is white.
It's getting prettier and prettier this time. Ranga, why did you kill so many mosquitoes when we asked you to clean the room?
Show your hands, bro. Show your hands.
What?
They bit me, so I killed them.
And why did you have the bodies? Where did you have?
It's about I wanted to send a message
What you wanted to do?
to their family and their next generations.
Next generation. That they come and they fly.
Yeah, and then they see it and then they stop doing this nonsense, like sucking people's blood.
Okay, this is like the end of our vlog. Now we are leaving to our home. We have to clean a lot.
Yeah, bye.